A little bit windy as I make this pod, and this video has been made all over the place, but let's have a tour and an update of the KM Columbus. I'll show you around the whole hotel, plus a one-bedroom apartment. It's all inclusive. Let's go and see what's changed at the Columbus. Just a quick catch up, but the corner restaurant looks like it may be getting a refurb. So we'll see what happens there. Maybe January. I can give you a quick update on that one. Apparently it looks like it's under a new ownership. So let's see what happens. We've got kids club that's not very rarely open, especially this time of year. So If you're wondering, that is the kids club in there. I think this is a good photo opportunity right here. If you ever want to get your photos done, I think it's a pretty cool place to have your photos. We have got another pool over here. We also have some more restrooms, male and female obviously. So if you're in the pools, you don't have to worry. You don't have to go far aside. Pool table, obviously payable. Now, years ago, it used to be a basketball court, this. And they did a couple of years, maybe I'm going to say, changed it into a pool area. There's a shower to clean yourself up, but it's a nice pool. Hopefully someone's not in the video, otherwise I'm going to have to cut him out, but there we go. Okay, Tower 1 is the one you walk through. If you come to Tower 2, there's also a spa, payable. I think you do get discount at if you're all inclusive, but yeah, there is a spa here and you can get therapies and obviously go down to the spa as well. There is a nice QR code I always tell you, have a look at it, scan it if you're interested. Spa days, €15 for 2 hours. And if you ever wanted a business meeting here for some reason, or say you want to get married at the Canary Islands, there is a reception room, I believe. Well, I know, I don't know why I'm pretending I've never been here before. Most people watch my stuff now, me all the time. So here's a conference room. Never seen it used, don't know how much it costs. But as you can see, as we look inside and get rid of me, there's a nice sized conference room, a nice wedding, possibly going there if it's done up nicely. And then obviously just a little bit further down is the children's playground area. Just there. Some table tennis. Sometimes they leave the table tennis pads and balls out for free and you can use them. And a sand pit. Well, I always tell people, maybe not. Reasons why. There's cats. That's all I'm saying. So walking into Tower 2, if you get one of the lifts up, typical, go level 6, so all the way to top in Tower 2. Just get out of the lift, so you're on the top floor, and up here, as you can see, is sun lounges all day. They don't do the edges anymore because they now have solar panels, but through the middle you can sit up here with sun lounges and get the sun all day, and it's a lot more peaceful. Plus the views up here can be phenomenal if you look carefully. So the 6th floor, Tower 2. Just There's one thing I want to point out to you on the 6th floor. I don't think I've seen it at any other hotel. So, timetable up here is 10 AM to 6 PM every day of the week. Hotel 6, I'm walking down to what I have to show people, a corner room of all rooms. I can show you the solar panels as well. But look at that, room 666, the mark of the devil. But yeah, they got rid of the corners because they've put solar panels up here, which fully made sense. I thought one side maybe would have been a better like barbecue sort of restaurant, if you get what I mean. What could have been paid for and people could have used with views. But and obviously this is the fire escape route if you're up here. As I've said, through the daytime as well, if I can get a proper look now. Nighttime you can come up here with the sun lounges and get sun all day. There is a top floor on tower 2, level 6. There is all day sun lounges up there, but there's no drinks, there's no toilets or anything up there. It's literally the sun lounges. But let's have a look at this quick view here. Right behind us is Super Dino's. Over there we have like YOLO Sports Bar and that. Right over here, as you can see, so right near the resorts of sports bars, Ticketan Hotel is there. That is El Dorado Resort. Alegro Blanco apartments are just here. Just to give you an idea of what is just around us. And down that away is where Veronica Strip is. This is a laundrette. You have 2 dryers, 2 washing machines. That tail's been there for almost 2 weeks. You have to buy special coins from front desk to use them. It's €5 for the washer, €5 for the dryer. I use the dryer because it gets rid of creases in my clothes. All the instructions in most languages and how to use stuff in here. You've got like high temp, medium temps, low temps, no heat, all that for both of them. So as I said, little special coins from front reception, €5 for a dryer, €5 for the washers. Also, if you can, bring your own detergent tablets or something and just put them in yourself. I think they do a personally good job. I want to point out, either end of the hotel, there are bungalows. So either end of the pools, I should say, there is bungalows that you can stay in. So if you're not into going up in lifts and that, do that. We clearly have a gift shop here when it's open, I'm not too sure. And a hairdressers. If you're thinking it's night time, it's just proving I don't record it all at once. Right here, this is your hairdressers inside, very nice. Then obviously we have the laundrette, what I use quite a lot while I'm here. People renting mobility scooters, you do need, if you want to leave it here and charge it, you do have to have a blue badge, so disabled blue badge. Just want to point that one out. These are changing rooms and that here, showers, toilets and that, if you're checked out your room but you want to do stuff still. So they're just here, and obviously this is the luggage room where you would go and get your key from front reception. Nice little pool table here. The shisha bar, what you never know what's going to be open. watching this part. I just want to say thank you to Brian from Tenerife Fun on Facebook. His group is fantastic. Go and join it, Tenerife Fun.